In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to select objects and text in Microsoft Word. Let's start with selecting text, because it's the foundation of editing in Word. The most familiar method is to click and drag. Position your cursor at the beginning of the text you want, press and hold the mouse button, and glide across the words. As you move, you'll see the text highlight, showing exactly what's selected. Release the mouse when you've reached the end of the section you want. This is great for precise selections, like part of a sentence or a few lines. If you want to move faster, use quick clicks. Double-clicking any word instantly selects just that word, which is perfect for changing a single term or applying formatting like bold or italics in a snap. Triple-clicking anywhere inside a paragraph selects the entire paragraph at once. Make sure those clicks are in quick succession. If there's too much time between them, Word will treat them as separate clicks. This is especially handy when you want to move or format a full paragraph without dragging. When you need everything, use the keyboard. Press Ctrl+A to select all the text in your document. It's the fastest way to grab the entire contents, whether you're copying, clearing formatting, or applying a consistent style from top to bottom. You'll see the whole document highlight, confirming you've got it all. Now let's talk about selecting objects, like shapes, images, and text boxes. To select an object, simply click on it. When it's selected, you'll see a border and sizing handles around it, letting you know it's ready to move, resize, or format. Here's an important tip about how objects behave in Word. If an object is set to in line with text, Word treats it like a giant character that sits on the text line. That can be fine for simple layouts, but it can make working with multiple objects harder. If you need more flexible selection and positioning, change the object's wrap text to anything other than in line with text. Options like square, tight, or behind text allow the object to float relative to the text, which makes arranging and selecting them more predictable. This adjustment is especially helpful when working with several images or shapes on the same page, where you want to make clean, precise selections without Word snapping items into the text flow. That's it. With click and drag, quick clicks, Ctrl+A, and the right wrap text setting, you'll select exactly what you need every time.